Chandri Combs exposed by singer Mel B. amid court trials. Renowned singer Mel B recalls shocking incident amid Chandri Combs' ongoing lawsuit. Chandri Combs was again disgraced by fellow musician Mel B as she recalled her initial working experience with the rap star. According to the Daily Mail, the 49 years old English singer published a book in 2018 titled Brutally Honest, in which she recounted a disturbing incident that occurred during the rehearsal for the MOBO Award in London back in 1998. At the time, Mull, who was hosting the show alongside popular comedian Bill Bellamy, mentioned in her publication how Diddy and his team insulted her to court off stage upon her request to let them practice. However, Diddy, who was performing at the event, heard Mull's request and said, "Get this beef off the stage." Furthermore, the singer turned author wrote, "People think I am so tough, and to some degree I am. I can't stand my ground against the likes of Sean P. Diddy, Puffy Combs." While recalling her reaction, Mel continued that she went straight to Diddy to teach his lesson, and upon her confrontation, he later sent her a t-shirt in his name which the singer did not accept. Before the Spice Girls star, a former go-go dancer named Adria Sherry English also accused the music icon of forcing her to engage in sexual acts. For the Unrest on December 19, Diddy appeared in a court for the proceeding of his case, where he was seen drastically thinner.